Hello viewers, welcome to Dash of Delight with me Soumya. Today's recipe is one of the main fasting recipes of India, which is Sabudana Khichdi. This being a fasting recipe is mainly prepared during Shivratri, Navratri, Sawan Ke Somvar or any festive occasions which includes fast. So since currently we are in the auspicious month of Sawan, so here is a delicious fasting recipe for you all. So let's get started. So for this, here I have taken 1 cup of sabudana or sago or tapioca and soaked it overnight. So see, after soaking, they look something like this. So basically they become really soft and spongy. So if you press it like this, it will bounce back. So this is the sign that they have been perfectly soaked. Also remember guys that while soaking, your water should be just ½ inch above the sabudana level, not more than that, else it will turn soggy, hence making the khichdi really sticky. Now here I have taken 1 large potato which is nicely boiled. So if you want you can take more than 1 potato, but for 1 cup of sabudana 1 large potato is more than enough. So now I'm gonna peel this potato and then cut it into small cubes. So see, here I have nicely cut my potato into cubes like this. Now let's start making. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil. Then when it is hot enough, add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle and slightly change the color. Then add green chilies into it. So I have taken 3 green chilies. You can adjust the chilies as per your taste. Saute it for a while. And then add in all the cut pieces of potatoes. Like this. Mix it and saute it for a while. Make sure your flame should be at medium temperature continuously. I'm sorry guys, I just forgot to add the curry leaves. But no problem. I'll just make some space in the middle like this. And add the curry leaves. If you guys also ever forget any ingredient while tempering, while cooking anything, you can just follow this trick. Now just saute the potatoes for 1 to 2 minutes. Then leave it open and let it cook for around 2-3 minutes. Now add around ½ a teaspoon of rock salt into it. So guys, rock salt or sendha namak is used in fasting dishes. So you can use normal salt if you are not making the recipe for fast. Now here I have taken 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts. I just dry roasted it and now I'm gonna crush it. We are going to use it later in our recipe. Okay, so here it's been around 5 minutes and see our potatoes have got a nice light crust on it. So I'll show you. See how beautiful light golden brown crust is formed on it. So this is done now. Now at this stage add in all the soaked sabudana. Then give everything a good mix here. Mix it well. Then leave it open and let it cook for around 2-3 minutes. After around 3 minutes, give it a slight stir. Now the trick to see that sabudana is well cooked or not is, all these pearls will become transparent when they are nicely cooked. See, so this is what I'm talking about. So they will start becoming transparent like this. So we are almost there. Cook it for a couple of more minutes and it will be done. Now here you can adjust the salt. So I'm adding a pinch of more rock salt. Mix it well. Now at this stage add in all the crushed peanuts. There we go. Mix everything together. Now time to add in the chopped coriander leaves. Also I'm gonna add a pinch of black pepper powder, around 1/4 teaspoon, and that's it. So guys, black pepper is optional. You can skip it if you don't want. So that's it guys, our sabudana or sago khichdi is all ready to be served. So just take it out on a plate and enjoy your fasting days. The sabudana khichdi has always been my favorite since childhood. Although this lovely recipe originated in Western India, especially Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan, but is loved throughout the country. So just try this beautiful recipe at your homes and enjoy. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So guys, if you liked my recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for sure. I'll be back very soon. Till then, take care and happy fasting!